Okay, good morning, guys. Harry mentioned 2 days ago that I had too many translators, but not in a negative way, like a joke. But you see, I have here three. One pointing Marmaris Nexrat in Turkey. This one pointing at Troodos Nexrats of the RAF. This one is deploying without water, making anti-clockwise vortex, bringing the clouds from the sea inside towards Cyprus, so that they will not be wasted, raining in Mediterranean. This multi-cannon here, three of them, fourth is closed, are working in high potential on harp, RAF harp, Akrodiri, and this one I just deployed. I changed its angle because it wasn't working. South 40 degrees, again to bring them in. And we have some nice rains here since last night. Very good, overwhelming, I must say. You can see the rain, how much it rained here, the water. It's lovely. And for beginning of November, it's very nice. Some good results. And seems promising for a little while, for a little more. And thanks for watching. We'll post this on Europe group. Think you like that? First time I show it to you. It was a real headache to make it, but it's worth it, and it's very much, you can say, effective. So have a nice Sunday. It's very nice raining on the translators. Gives you a very nice feeling. Okay, guys.